Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Previous lesson we created our layout page and now I just realized start before our controller we need to add our scopes for our service layer to use our dependency injection. Now there is a two way to add our scopes. The first one is the easy and the long way, and the second one is the hot one but the best practice. I'm going to show you both of them. Let's start the easy one. Service add scope I about, for example, service, comma, about service. Sorry, this must be the class. Hold on, yeah. If you have 2, 3, 4, or maximum 5 services, you can use this method. Just imagine, yeah, you're going to just use 4 or 5 different services line. But just imagine what you're gonna do if you have 100 or more services. This is a frustrating and waste of time and waste of everything. So there is another method to use as a best practice. Let me show you. Alright, now we're going to choose our types of our services. First select the assembly, executing assembly, and get all types. So we select our assembly, which is service layer, and we select all types, I mean classes in our assembly. So we have to eliminate the irrelevant one. So we're going to use our link method with where, and those types must be class. Why I'm telling you they must be class? Because we are aiming those services, not the other one, just concrete services. So they are class, all right? And they are not abstract. I mean, they are not interfaces. They are concrete. So uh, we're going to we're going to add this logic here, okay? And also they should have, so um, have a string which is finished with service. So how can you write it? X dot name dot ends with a string which is service. And there is a one type of class left. They are a class, they are not abstract, and their names finish with service. So we select our services, concrete services. Now we're going to select our interfaces for each service var service type. Oh my god. Var service type in types. Let's select our interfaces now. I service type dot get interfaces, first of all default, and we're going to select exactly just imagine about service. This is the about service, so we need to match about service with I about service, right? So we need to use a link method here. X dot name should be equal start with I, which is I about service, for example, And why these brackets came all the time here? Yep. Now service type dot name. Perfect. Now we have service and we have iService. So all we need to do rest, just match them. Before that, if iService type isn't null, then we can add our services at scope iService type, comma service type. That, guys, that's the method which is the best practice. Now, if you add 1,000 more services, it doesn't matter. It's automatically joined our dependency injection, and we are able to use all of them. All right. Let's finish this lesson here. Let's finish this lesson here and create our controllers and create our CSHTML files, and we can try if they are working or not. If there is a problem, we can go back here. We can do our amendments, fixing, and we can go on our project, guys. Okay. See you on next lesson. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.